Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I will guide you for civil engineering basic knowledge, which can help you on construction site if you are studying. So these are very important and helpful for you people. Let's get started, guys. If you are new on this channel, so you may like the video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. The first one is minimum diameter of steel bar used in column 12 millimeter. It means, guys, you can see clearly we have the RCC column. So in RCC column, if the RCC column size is 9 by 9 inches, or you can say 12 by 12 inches, suppose the size is anything, suppose this is 9 inches by 9 inches, so these are steel rods, so used minimum 12 millimeter die of steel rod, right? 12 millimeter. This is very important for you people to know about this in RCC column. Next one is, guys, for overlapping length for column 24D to 40D. Now what is lapping, guys? You can see here, this is longitudinal bar in column, and this is the other. Suppose this is, for example, 5 feet steel rod, this is longitudinal rod. Okay, so when we are going about 11 feet height, suppose, so we overlap the one steel rod to another one, so this is called overlapping, this one, right? So this is called overlapping length or lapping length, you can say. So this lapping, one steel rod should be overlapped with each other with 24D to 40D, where D is diameter of bar or diameter of steel. Suppose the diameter is 12 millimeter, so multiply 24 to 42. For example, I'm keeping 40, so it means we required about normally you can say that we required about so when you do the 40 and this one, so suppose 424 millimeter. So you can say this is a lapping length. Okay, it should not be less than this, from 24 to 40. Next, guys, very important for you people about the height of the single story building, which is 3.15 meter. Suppose this is a ground floor, suppose this is, or you can say finish floor level, or you can say floor level, and this is the, these are window and this is door. So this height, one floor height, should not be less than 3.15 meter. This is minimum, right? So the standard, you can say it should not be less than this, right? The next one is, guys, the minimum number of steel bars should be used for 4 in one column, as you can see here. So this is column, so use minimum 4 bars, and the dia should be 12 millimeter. Don't use less than 4 steel rods in RCC column, it means, right? This is also completed. Weight of cement bag is 50 kg. One bag of cement is 50 kg, which we are using normally. Next, D square divided by 162 formula is used for weight of steel. If you want to find the weight of steel, so use D square divided by 162. So remember, D square should be in millimeter. Suppose I am finding the weight of steel for 12 millimeter, as I discussed here. We have the 12 millimeter, this one. So how much or what is the weight of 12 millimeter die of steel rod if the length is 1 meter? So this is specially for 1 meter in kg per meter. So therefore D square, so multiply 12, as I discussed before, D square should be in millimeter divided by 162. When you do its calculation, you will get the value 0.88 kg per meter. For 1 meter we required the weight 0.88. So if you have any length, so you can calculate this. Standard length of steel is 12 meter. From the factory, the standard length of the steel is 12 meter, which is called 40 grade. Okay, and for 60 grade, the length is 60, so the length is not 12 meter. Next, guys, the minimum thickness of the slab is 125 millimeter. You can see on the top of this we are providing RCC slab, so this slab thickness should not be less than 5 inches, or you can say what 125 millimeter. Next guys, very important for you people, the main bars and distribution bar spacing should be 150 by 150 millimeter. Guys, you can see this is RCC slab. All right, so we are placing the steel rods like this. So here these are the spacing, so this spacing should be 6 inches center to center, or you can say 155 millimeter center to center for main bars and also for distribution bars. Same guys, the topic is same. Also main bars should be placed at the bottom of the slab. Okay, as you can see guys, what is main bar? Main bar are placed on the lengthwise. As you can see, these are main bars. When we are placing the steel on the widthwise, so this is called distribution bar. So the main bar should be placed first, on the top of this distribution bar should be placed. The next one is guys about grade of concrete. Use M20 grade of concrete in RCC slab, beam and column, also in foundation, which ratio is 1:3:6. 1 is cement, 3 is sand, and 6 is aggregate, or you can say crush. Depth of the beam should not be less than 12 inches. Guys, you can see here, this is a beam. Suppose the width is 9 inches, so the depth should not be less than 12 inches. If that is floor beam or if that is plinth beam, but it should not be less than 12 inches. Remember this. The 13th one is guys, minimum size of the column is 9 by 9 inches. Suppose this is column, so the column size should not be less than this, because this is the minimum size in column, right? Which is 225 millimeter by 225 millimeter. The other one is guys, the outer wall. Okay, outer walls we are especially using as a boundary wall, or also you can see the front wall, or especially we are providing for the door and windows, right? So the center walls, or you can say the partition walls, can be normally 4.5 inches, or you can say half brick, but the outer wall thickness should be full brick, which is 9 inches. It should not be less than this, because we are also making the door and windows inside this. We are providing, or we are placing the frame, so therefore maybe it will be weak when we are providing in 4.5 inch wall, or you can say half brick. So therefore this is very important for you people to know about these. The topic is especially for steel reinforcement. The next one is about building height, and also for the column, and also for the cement, also for the weight of steel, also for the steel reinforcement, guys, you can see. And also we are providing RCC slab, about RCC slab, main bars, distribution bars. So everything is inside this. About the concrete we have discussed, about the beam we have discussed, because the topic is civil engineering basic knowledge. So if you know about the basic knowledge, which can help you on the construction side if you are studying, so keep in your mind all these things, which can help you a lot if you are everywhere and related in civil engineering, right? Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.